Soon after Bill Chayakin votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Ay, ay, ay. Ay, 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 ay. Sunset glow on the skyline rim. Thoughts swim. Herbs spark open wider sight. In a light, me gaze beyond the narrow lane. Free brain. Horizon stretch past fear line. Divine sign. Herbal meditation lift me view. See true. Me now stuck in present stress. Nevertheless, me project vision 10 years far. Rising star. Calm reflection guide me steer. Crystal clear. Herbal Horizon. Vision wide, open stride. Herbal Horizon. Future call, stand tall. Herbal Horizon. Vision wide, open stride. Herbal Horizon. Future call, yeah, stand tall. Me analyze move before me leave. Can't be bring clarity, slow me haste, no waste. Me learn patience from sunset fade. Balance me. Oh, when I fall, me still perceive, me believe. Every darkness hides more spark. In the dark, perspective grow when evil small. That's all. Horizon not escape from now, but show how me use today fi build tomorrow frame. See 'em flame, white sight, each shot drill. Iron will. Herbal Horizon. Calm control, steady soul. Herbal Horizon. Clear design, align mind. Smoke fade. Sunrise and vision true. Oh, vision true. Smoke fade, sunrise you. Vision true. Na na na. Na na na. Stars bright, but me feet on ground, no rebound. Destiny whisper soft and low, still me know. Me now wait for faith fi open door. Me explore. straight, shape fate. Every habit build future frame, slow flame. Me right destiny with daily choice, inner vice. No magic luck, just steady grind, focus mind. When doubts speak loud in my ear, me persevere. Discipline and destiny align. Over time, discipline and destiny meet. Victory sweet. Me sacrifice comfort for long-term rise, clear eyes. Me understand success need pain, true rain. Destiny favor, prepared soul, self-control. Me now blame star or circumstance, me advance. Me build skill while them wait sign, divine. Hard work echo louder than claim. Earn name when opportunity finally knock. Me unlock the past, preparation done complete. Stand on me feet. Dream big but build daily base. Old discipline and destiny blend till the end. Discipline and destiny blend. One some will forward to legacy. That's me destiny. Stars bright, but me feet bound road. Stars bright, na 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 na. Na 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 na. Roots grip earth like steel chain tight, day and night. From soil deep, me spirit climb. True time. Me rise slow, but me rise sure. Pure core, iron roots. Under pressure, hole never fall. Storm test strength, but me remain true rain. Me heritage right in me DNA. Lead way. Me carry struggle in me blood tone. Backbone, iron roots resist corruption tide. No slide, iron roots rising high. Touch sky, iron roots rising strong. All along, iron roots rising high. Touch sky, iron roots rising strong. lifting sand. Own land, culture, anchor me identity. Legacy, me not trade foundation for fast fame. Same name. Growth upward but depth below. Both show branch wide but trunk thick. Solid brick, iron roots keep me balance right. In a might, even when cut down me sprout again. Stronger than, because resilience part me free and untamed. Deep root evil I drown. Rain now iron roots rising high. Touch sky, iron roots rising strong. All along, iron roots rising high. Touch sky, iron roots rising strong. All along, deep roots, keep while I ground. Renown, iron roots rising high. Deep roots, iron roots rising bold. Here bold, iron roots rising free. Right for me. From underground to open air, still there. Iron roots rising no loud post for me skill display. Me steer mastery grown in a silent grind. Focus mind. Me practice when nobody watch. Perfect notch. Repetition carve clean art from start. Small improvement, yearly gain. Build green, me now rush tight. Build the four mirror beat steady. Skill sharpen through patient trip step by step. Feel your teacher, not defeat mark. Spark, higher mastery. Slow and sure, endure. Higher mastery. Strong control, whole soul. Study craft, beyond surface show eat floor. Details matter more than height. True type, build competence. Layer by layer. Prayer. When stage light finally turn me way, me display. Not ego flash, words refine tone, fully grown. Years of unseen grind, no shine. By design, mastery whisper, never shout, no doubt. Na Zion Raga, yeah man. Holy city shining bright, city of Zion full of light, streets of peace and gates of gold. City story never old, no crime, no war, no pain to bear. City of Jah forever care, every house a song of love. City shining high above, city of Zion pure and fair. Jah eternal dwelling there, every people, every land. City built by Jah hand, it glow at night, it shine by day. City of Zion holy way, no hunger there, no thirst, no fight. City shine with holy light, it call the children, call the meek. City truth all people seek, forever standing, never fall. City of Jah, feel we all. Me walk the street of righteous flame. City chant Jah holy name, it bless the humble, bless the kind. City of Jah eternal mind, no wicked plan, no Babylon rule. City of Zion holy school, forever shining bright and clear. City of Jah forever near, it echo drum, it echo song. City of Zion stand so long, it heal the heart, it lift the soul. City of Jah make we whole, forever pure, forever bright. City shining day and night, every gate a holy sign. City of Jah forever mine, when the trumpet sound at last. City of Zion standing fast, it blaze eternal, never done. City shining with Jah sun, forever home, forever free. City of Jah for you and me, from earth to sky, from night to morn. City of Zion ever born, stand tall, walk in. City of Zion free from sin, no wall, no hate can ever break. City of Jah no man forsake, city of Zion pure and fair. Jah eternal dwelling there, every people, every land. City built by Jah hand, from dawn of time till trumpet play. City of Zion always stay. by Zion Reggae. Upon the head of righteous one, crown of Zion like the sun, not of silver, not of gold, crown of love forever bold. It shine with mercy, shine with peace, crown of Jah bring sweet release, forever pure, forever true, crown of Zion for me and you, crown of Zion bright and strong, bless the righteous all along, every trial, every test, crown of Jah reward the bliss. No king of earth can wear the flame, crown of Zion call Jah name. It guide the humble, guide the meek, crown of truth all people seek. It break the chain, it lift the soul, crown of Jah make we whole, forever shining, never fade, crown eternal Jah has made. Me see the elder bow in prayer, crown of Zion shining there. It blaze at night, it glow at noon, crown of Jah no fading soon, forever holy, never wrong, crown of Zion ever strong. Upon the head of chosen true, crown of Jah belong to you. No Babylon can take away, crown of Zion here to stay. It shine eternal, shine divine, crown of Jah forever mine. It bless the children, bless the meek, crown of truth all people seek, forever shining bright and free, crown of Jah for you and me. When the trumpet sound at last, crown of Zion ever fast, it blaze eternal, never gone, crown of Jah forever strong, from dawn of time till endless day, crown of Zion light the way, holy glory, holy song, crown of Jah forever strong. Shine bright, shine high, crown of Zion fill the sky. No thief, no chain can steal away, crown of Jah forever stay. Crown of Zion bright and strong, bless the righteous all along, every trial, every test, crown of Jah reward the blessed, from earth to sky, from night to morn, crown of Zion ever worn. Aye, aye, aye. Zion reggae, yeah, man. Oh, oh. Me dep on Jah Highway, winding on me face, traveling light through this human race. Every mile, teach me new truth fi learn. Inna the fire, me spirit burn. Me hear the river humble, Jah guide me where fi go. Me start from the ghetto lane, carry the joy, carry the pain. Me no rich but me soul feel tall, Jah blessings overall. Them try fi pull me off the road, me still carry Jah load. Each breath me take a chant, faith abundant. Me see the sign say love ahead, so me drop me dread pan bed. No vanity pan this ride, just truth inside. Me trod through storm, me trod through flame, still call Jah name. Every curve me bend with care, cause Jah dey everywhere. On Jah Highway me trod, guided by the hand of God. Through the valley, through the fight, me follow the light. On Jah Highway me roll, clean me heart, heal me soul. No matter where me roam, Jah road me home. Me pass by the ones still lost, them pay the cost. Me stop and share a song, help them strong. The journey long but me no tire. Jah give the fire. Every mile me bless, no stress. Me look on the horizon red, hope ahead. Me feel Jah breeze, embrace peaceful place. Me drive through life with grace, no haste. Me leave behind the fear, me draw Jah near. Me no speed, me no slow, me move, oh Jah say fi go. Every road lead home one day, to Zion way. On Jah Highway me trod, guided by the hand of God. Through the valley, through the fight, me follow the light. On Jah Highway me roll, clean me heart, heal me soul. No matter where me roam, Jah road me home. So when me journey end, me meet me friend. On Jah Highway me remain, free from pain.
Zion go, Zion, yeah. Kingston, skunk smoke. Yeah, man. From the mountain peak, me hear the call. Lion of Zion, me stand up tall. Jah words are me shield, me nah go fall. Truth and wisdom, them conquer all. Inna the streets, where the struggle real. Babylon system not care how we feel, but Jah light shine bright, it a strong appeal. Faith inna me heart, Jah love me feel. Lion of Zion, roar for the youth. Stand firm and strong, defend the truth. Herb inna me pipe, meditation suit. Jah guidance make me spirit move. Them can't stop the fire where Jah ignite. Me walk through the darkness with holy light. Rasta chant loud, them can't silence the fight. Freedom for the people, we claim our right. Babylon walls tumble, them can't withstand the power of the Lion, the Almighty hand. Roots and culture strong, me nah shift the plan. Unity and love, the Rasta brand. Lion of Zion, roar for the youth. Stand firm and strong, defend the truth. Herb inna me pipe, meditation suit. Jah guidance make me spirit move. Jah me give thanks for the blessings received. Inna this life, me nah feel deceived. With the high grade smoke, me lungs relieved. Babylon nah stop with that, them misperceived. Rasta chant rise, them can't ignore. The Lion a roar, hear it from shore to shore. Jah power infinite, it can restore. Inna the love and light, we forever explore. Rise up youth man, the time is now. The system a crumble, them can't stop. How the Lion a lead, make Jah love show. With the herb band the rhythm, the vibes just flow. One world, one people, Jah plan divine. Herbal the healer make the soul align. Chant down Babylon, step out a line. Jah lion in a we, make the spirit shine. Lion of Zion, roar for the youth. Stand firm and strong, defend the truth. Herb in a me pipe, meditation suit. Jah guidance make me spirit move. Light up the fire, make the lion roar. RASTA vibes spread from shore to shore. With Jah in a me heart, me can't ignore. The call of Zion, me chant for more. Herb in a the ear, the love supreme. Rasta vision clear, it a living dream. Jah bless the journey, the vibe serene. Forever lion strong, we keep it clean.
Nah, 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 nah. Jah bless the people at the falls. Babylon system break, yeah man. Me climb the mountain, mist and rain. Every step release me pain. The higher me go, the clearer me sight. Jah light shine bright. Birds chant hymns above the tree. Nature speak to me. Mountain of Zion stand so tall. Jah love over all. Me tread the path of faith and grace. The wind caress me face. No easy road, but Jah me trust. Me rise from dust to dust. Them tell me give up, me say no. The summit still a glow. Every struggle shape me soul. Jah make me whole. Me see the wicked build them throne, but them can't rule alone. Me see the humble grow in might, guided by the light. Me carry the banner red, gold, green, symbol of the unseen. Freedom born in humble heart, Jah masterpiece of art. Mountain of Zion, me climb high, touch the clouds, reach the sky. No Babylon power can block me way. Jah protect me night and day. Mountain of Zion, rising pride. Truth are the guide. Every soul that seek Jah face, find eternal grace. Me look down upon the valley deep, where many lose and weep. But from the top me sight the dawn, new creation born. Me feel the wind whisper Jah name, set me heart aflame. No stone, no storm can shake what Jah creates. Elders chant beneath the tree, say Jah set the captives free. Children play with laughter bright, pure delight. Me see the rainbow stretch so far, peace beyond the scar. On Zion mountain, me stand firm, Jah lesson me learn. When me weary, Jah restore me strength once more. From child come wisdom clear, Jah forever near. The mountain high, but Jah and true, carry me through. Each step me take in devotion, heart full of emotion. Mountain of Zion me climb high, touch the clouds, reach the sky. No Babylon power can block me way. Jah protect me night and day. Mountain of Zion rising pride. Truth are the guide. Every soul that seek Jah face, find eternal grace. Mountain high, me spirit free. Zion dwell in me. Jah come around. Me look on the sunset red. Give thanks for life me tread. Mountain of Zion, me own forever. Love bind we together.
Nah. Jah bless the people, yeah man. Me wake with sun pa me face. Chalice ready in sacred place. Roots man heart, me nah lose pace. Me walk with Jah, me move in grace. First light hit and me light the flame. Me burn the herb, me call Jah name. Me no smoke fi run away. Me smoke fi clear me inner way. Earth provide this plant of peace. A sacrament we never cease. Me connect with wind and tree. This meditation sets I free. Mystic herb in a chalice burn. Teach the soul and make it learn. Inna the smoke, me vision clear. Jah whisper truths, me love fi hear. Burn it slow, no rush the vibe. Ganja guide the Rasta tribe. Me sit on hill, me eye them red. Me mind so clean, me spirit fed. This a healing, this a light. This a roots man higher flight. Oh, me no need no doctor pill. This green leaf give natural thrill. Me connect with stars, me float pan sky. Me meditate and feel Janai. From Ethiopia to Westmoreland. This sacred herb come from Jahan. Them try fi ban it, try fi shame. But still the fire remain the same. Oh. Inhale love, exhale fear. Feel the presence, Jah is near. Inhale peace, exhale hate. Mystic herb, open Jah. Me not chase hype, me chase stillness. Me life a dub, me breath a witness. Every pull a deeper thought. Every exhale show what Jah brought. Mystic herb in a chalice burn. Soul get wisdom every turn. Ganja speaking holy code. Rasta walk that righteous road. Green like hope, soft like breeze. Bring the Babylon to its knees. Me no puffy style or trend. Me puffy truth will never end. Me no flex pan screen or stage. Me flex with roots man ancient rich. Me garden full, me and them clean. Me grow the herb like African queen. It nurture me like mountain spring. Me chant a let the naya bingy ring. This herb no make me slack or slow. It teach me where me heart must go. Me reason deep with lion them. Me chant and chant again.
Me take one step closer today. Jah guide me way through the storm and heavy rain. Still me chant refrain. Me been through trials, me been through fight, but never lose the sight. Jah wisdom let me roll, lift me heavy load. Every scar become a sign of Jah design. Me walk with purpose strong. Me sing my righteous song. Me see the people search for peace. them hold on tight. Just soon make all things right. Faith like fire, love like rain. Wash away the pain. No man can dim me flame, me call Jah name. One step closer now, just show me how. One love, one life, one way. Me walk it every day. Me no stop, me no fall. Jah guide me through it all. Me see the mountain high, but me spirit fly. No obstacle too tall, just an overall. Me chant for you, me chant for truth. Bless the wisdom of the youth. Me feel the drum beat in my soul. Rasta reach the goal, every chant, every cry. Lift me high, the journey long but Jah near. No more fear. Me step by faith, not sight. Jah light my guide at night. Each breath me give thanks. No fear in the wrong. So one step closer now, just show me how. One love, one life, one way. Me walk it every day. Me no stop, me no fall. Jah guide me through it all. So when the road get rough and wide, keep Jah inside. Every step me take through, Jah carry me through.
Yeah.
Aye, Jah bless all the people and the world, yeah man. Morning light break through the cloud. Jah call me name out loud. No matter how the night was long, me rise and sing me song. Me fall, me stumble, me cry, but still me try. Jah pick me up when me low, teach me love to grow. Every scar become a flame, Jah rewrite my name. No fear, no shame, me rise again. Me see the storm pass by, Jah dry me eye. The struggle shape me strong, me know where me belong. Me give thanks for every pain, it bring the rain. From the seed of sorrow bloom, new life consume, yeah. Rise again, my people rise. Lift your heart to the skies. Jah light never fade, new world soon made. Rise again, no fall. Jah love conquer all, every dawn begin. Me rise again. Me look on the crowd unite, me see the future bright. Every youth hold faith, never too late. The fire in my soul make me whole. Me chant for the broken words unspoken. Me plant the hope deep in the ground. Love all around. Jah teach we how to mend till the very end. From the ashes grow, blessings overflow. Jah never leave we side. Faith be the guide. Rise again, my people rise. Lift your heart to the skies. Jah light never fade, new world soon made. Rise again, no fall. Jah love conquer all, every dawn begin. Me rise again. So when the night return, let Ooh, oh, before the daylight come alive, me feel just spirit revive. Me plant me seed in holy ground. Hear the ancient sound. Every root reach far below. Truth begin to grow. Me see the world chase vanity, blind for Jah reality. But the roots know where them stand. Deep inside Jah hand, me feel the pulse under the clay. Tell me everything okay. Nature talk me overstand. Jah control the land. Me see the city lights so bright, but none compare to Jah light. Them build the towers tall and wide, but love inside can't hide. Me prefer the humbleness, where earth and soul confess. Roots dig deep and never fade. Rasta made. Well, roots of the dawn rise again. Break the chain of men. From the soil comes strength anew. Jah make all things true. Roots of the dawn, so pure, so strong. Teach me right from wrong. Stand firm in the earth below. Let Jah power flow. Me feel the sunrise on me face. Jah love fill the place. Every color in the sky. Whisper Jah reply. Me chant up some for healing sound. Bless the holy ground. Roots connect the past to now. Show me how. Them try to cut the roots away, but Jah earth nah decay. Me see the vine grow back again. Wash away the pain. Roots of faith and love remain. Bless the sun and rain. Me stand tall in a Zion song, where I belong. Deep roots soul true, storm and fire. Carry me higher. When the wind blow, me stay strong. Roots keep me long, from generation to generation. Same foundation. Roots of the dawn rise again. Break the chain of men. From the soil comes strength anew. Jah make all things true. Roots of the dawn, so pure, so strong. Teach me right from wrong. Stand firm in the earth below. Let Jah power flow. Ooh, oh, oh, oh. When the night come, creep again. Me call Jah name. Roots of the dawn forever grow. Me soul know. Na 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 kaya. And sweat kaya man. Na 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 na. Me hear the drum beat on the wine. Ancient rhythm deep within. Echoes of ancestors call. Rise up one and all. Me spirit light, me feet strong. Jah melody keep trotting long. Them system built on lion chain. Still me walk through the rain. Me carry truth like firebrand, spread it across the land. Me chant for the voiceless man. Rasta got a plan. Freedom no come easy, but Jah move steady. Me heart a rebel flame. Me chant Jah name. Me see the youth them blind by screen. Forget them root, forget them dream. But me bring back the old time sound. Make the heart beat bound. Drum and bass unite we all. Rasta answer the call. Me no need no gun or sword. Just Jah word, me plant the seed of truth again. Watch Babylon chain break plain. Roots rebellion rise. Light up the darkened skies. Love and truth combine in a Jah design. Roots rebellion strong. We chant it all night long. No more divide or fall. One love for all. Me travel far to teach to you. Hold on to Jah truth. The struggle real but hope still there. In the prayer, me see the sun shine bright. Me spirit ignite. No fear for the wicked tongue. The battle won. Me see the world start wake. Me feel the ground shake. Rebellion born from care, not despair. Me chant from mountain top. Me never stop. Jah message echo free across the sea. Me rebel with the heart of peace until it cease. Me fight with love, not rage. Jah wisdom say. Roots rebellion rise. Light up the darkened skies. Love and truth combine in a Jah design. Roots rebellion strong. We chant it all night long. No more divide or fall. One love for all. So me chant till morning come. Righteous overcome. Roots rebellion live this day. Lead the way. Early breeze touch me face slow. Sunrise off the world still low. Me light the fire, me calm my mind. Ancient thoughts come drifting time. Me see them rush for silver and fame. Lose them soul in the game. Me choose the quiet, me choose the truth. Herbal meditation shape me youth. Smoke curl I like prayer go up. Me sip life from a humble cup. No crown pon head but me walk tall. Jah voice whisper through it all. Babylon chat but me no reply. Me eyes open, them can't blind eye. Every puff slow down the race. Me learn patience, me learn grace. Book and herb and rhythm play. Teach me more than words them say. Me burn not for escaping. Me burn for overstand the chain. Chalice and wisdom side by side. Truth and fire, me no hide. Chalice and wisdom pure and clean. Clear my sight, sharpen my dream. dream. Me reason with my brethren deep. Some laugh loud, some barely speak. Every story carry scar. Every man know who them are. Smoke unite, the mind them wide. Ego drop, no place for pride. No preach upon, no golden throne. Just life lesson, fully grown. Me see the moon, reflect panting. Same light shine from deep within. Night cool, me heart still warm. Herb keep me calm in every storm. Me now worship the smoke alone. Me worship truth. Me overstand, plant a seed, give thanks. Move slow. Let Jah work, let wisdom grow. Oh, slow fire, steady flame. No rush life, no chase name. Every breath a sacred sign. Everything come right on time. Chalice and wisdom side by side. Truth and fire, me no hide. Chalice and wisdom pure and clean. Clear me sight, sharpen me dream.
Me wake up to the mountain cry. Birds them sing under Jah sky. Why now whisper through the leaves? Life Jah weave. Me kneel pan sal, me feel the tone. Earth now alone. Every heartbeat from the ground. Sacred sound. Me hear the river talk at night, flowing with Jah light. It tell me truth me can't ignore. We need to love more. Me see the trees reach for sun. All life one. Me chant for healing, chant for peace. Make hate cease. Me see mankind lose the way. Destroy what just stay. Them poison the land, the air, the sea. Forget Jah decree. But still the earth forgive and give. Teach how to live. She cry but still she sing again. Wash away pain. Chant of the earth, rise and sound. Circle round and round. Lift up the heart, lift up the hand. Heal the land. Chant of the earth, pure and strong. Correct the wrong. Every root and every stone. Life well known. Me plant me seed, me watch it grow. Slow but sure me know. Me feel the pulse beneath me feet. Jah rhythm sweet. Me chant fi balance, chant fi love. Jah above. Every raindrop tell me so. Let it flow. Me walk through field of green delight. Soul feel light. Me see the rainbow bless the sky. Spirit high. Earth a temple, sky the dome. We all home. Me give thanks for every day. Jah way. Listen close, the earth still speak. In the mountain peak. In the breeze, the song still true.
calling you. No one, no greed can stay. Earth find a way. Chant of the earth, rise and sound, circle round and round. Lift up the heart, lift up the hand, heal the land. Chant of the earth, pure and strong, correct the wrong. Every root and every stone, life well known. I and chant of the earth, echo divine, spirit align. Let the world remember she, mother of we. Ay, 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 ay. So when the night falls silent deep, earth still keep Jah voice in every grain of sand. Bless this land.